Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today there was a big news about Trump put on a tariff auto for 25%, and looks like a lot of auto stocks is taking a hit after hours. So right now I want to do a quick market reviews on the three main indices and see their short-term action. So first start off with the S&P 500. All right, so before last week I was talking about you're gonna hit, most likely gonna either pull back or come up and hit 57.73. So it did on Tuesday, okay, which is yesterday, and today it did a pullback. So why it happened? As you can see that a lot of the news somehow follow the graph, right? Follow the chart. So usually it hit a major resistance, cannot close above it, it will pull back. So it did what it did and it pulled back. What's next? All right, so let's do a quick check. So we got a trend line here, and then we got the resistance here. If you look closely, does it look like an M? Let me draw it to you. You see, it's like an M, right? So usually when you identify an M or a W, if it's inverse, most of the time it will go back to the previous level of the bottom of, or the middle part of the M. So it did, and then when it does this, it will pull back, and that's what happened. So it pulled back. When it pulled back, most likely it's gonna go back to the 56, 67. Most likely tomorrow, since the news came out. So it will test this level, and most likely it will test, oh, I forgot what level I put down. But let's say it's gonna go back and test 55.65. So 55.65 most likely will be the next level. Okay, so it's gonna pull back. A lot of time when it's in between, you got the two level to test, and what happened is that it can test both. So it did test here, now it's gonna pull back and test this. So as you can see, all right, so after it tests this resistance, most likely it's gonna make a pullback, and it will test this long-term trend line. Not that much long-term, but it's about a year. So it will test at this point 55.65. Right, so that is a short-term my prediction for S&P 500. Nasdaq. So Nasdaq previous level, because of the bear flag, right? I say it might pull back, but because it's trying to test. Let me remove this. So this is the resistance, right? I say is most likely it will do sideways, or I say I'm not gonna be surprised if it come back and test this blue line. And after only 2 days, on Tuesday, it did test it, but failed to close above the blue line. So since it tested this, I'm going to take the target out. So now is most likely going to test 19,000. 19. Let me see. So it should be 19,170. So next would be around this area, right? So it failed a test, now coming back. And you can also see this. Also the M pattern. And it tried to come back and test this level, but looked like it's not going to make it. So it failed the test. And it's going back down to test this. So short term, this will be the target. Or I would say in a week, maybe April 1st, we'll hit it. I'm not sure. But most likely it will come back 19,500 as low as 19,170. Okay, what about Dow Jones? So Dow Jones, I say when it was at the resistance, you're gonna do two things: either coming back here due to the bear flag and fail the resistance test, or you're gonna go up and test 42,500. So it got it. Now I'm gonna take it out. So going on, look like it's still holding pretty well compared to the other one, right? So this might or might not get it. I'm not sure. Okay, for Dow Jones right now, it actually does a little bit better. So it will come back and test here, the green line at 41,815. All right, so this is long term. Most likely it will test this and come back to test 4,100 and 41,000 right here at the long-term trend line support. Yeah, most likely gonna hit. I would say probably in week or two. Okay, so there you have it, my quick review for today with all these tariff and other news came out. Most likely it's gonna bounce to here, and then April 2nd and beyond, it's gonna make a bounce again. So we will see how it is. But for now, quick pullback and test here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a like, subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.